Unboxing a dryer for 3 HD filament. The cheapest one I found, $29. This is how it comes from Amazon. Kind of need one because my humidity in my house is between 55 and 75%. So it quickly soaks it right up. It's called a snail. Link will be in the description below. Made in China. We'll have to test it out. I'll have a different video plugging it in, testing it out. That way I kind of have like a review. This is just the unboxing and looking at it. Comes nicely packaged. Whoa, kinda. I thought that was coming out all as one. Why is it on right now? Is it battery operated? It's weird. Is that one of them tear-offs that... No, that's weird. The percentage in my house right now is 49%. And it's saying 58, so that must be on the inside. Everything must be on the inside of the unit. I've had a dryer before and everything was inside the snail area. Looks like a little hole to let the moisture out. Nope, just a mold defect. 3 little lights on the front. It's very light. Must have batteries in the bottom. Nope. I think that's to put some of them your normal packs in there. Output's 45 watt. It said it was 110 on the website on Amazon. Let's see what these buttons do before I start opening it. They don't even feel like buttons. They don't do anything. Charge brick. Brick that actually runs it. Turn 40 volt, 100 to 240 volt. Output's 24 volt 2 amp. Indicator light right there. Looks like I'm gonna have a little bit of assembly. Got a little battery for something. Little bearings. And that's what's gonna go in the bottom. Does it have a heater built in? Okay, something. It's got the fan. Assuming that right there is the heater. But to test it out, stay tuned after we read the instructions. Oh, so this is a touch on the front. That's your levels, so it's a touch, not a push.